be filling me.
We always meet in the most salubrious surroundings, mate. Yeah. Apparently, you know my
I
friend.
haven't seen you in ages. Are you well?
I love the city. Regardless of all the negative stories about Dublin at
Yeah.
the moment, and regardless of all the negativity that you met with when you actually scratch under the surface, with the Dubs, there's still just a wonderful hospitality and vibe that affects me every time I come.
You won't get that off me.
No, well, I'm trying. I'm trying to soften him up. Yeah. Oh, you're dropping all your money. You need that all in your cup.
Yeah, but what happened was the police came and I had to jump up.
You have to jump up.
Yeah, because
Why?
they take you down the station, the police station.
How do you do, of course?
What, for soliciting?
Yeah, begging.
Begging.
You still looking for a boyfriend?
No, I don't want one. Let it alone.
You don't want a boyfriend?
Had enough of them at this stage.
Not even a charming Irishman like this?
You asked
Definitely
me.
not an
They
Englishman.
want a man.
Yeah.
No, I don't
You asked me out last time you saw me.
But you've changed your opinion.
Sure, I might have myself. But you know, we'll never see.
Looking well. Yeah. What about the Englishman? Nice. I'll take that.
Do you like him? Do you like him better than me then?
Who's the best one? If you had to choose one of the two of us, which one?
You're young.
That doesn't necessarily mean better though. Maybe he's aged well like a fine wine. Yeah. Nice to meet you, my love.
3 weeks ago, I was robbed twice one night.
Twice in one night?
Night.
Yeah.
The last time I was robbed, 3 weeks ago, here in the country, just above the paper there, set me a night pint for money, and I had no money.
Yeah.
And everything gone.
Yeah.
You know, it's
Sorry you
dangerous
have to
like
deal with that, mate. Yeah.
Yeah, but you just have to watch yourself. It's very bad over that side.
Okay, well, it looks pretty bad down there as well, but then
that's not
snuffled off now, yeah.
Oh, that's not bad.
Okay, there's worse than the
Oh,
light.
yeah, if you go over, see Super Value over there.
Yeah.
If you go over the back of that lane and go down that one,
Yeah.
it is bad there sometimes night.
Okay.
And even when you see 5 or 6 to get. And I know a fella now, the last 3 or maybe 7 years in the open market is. They're literally down there selling fake fags.
Okay.
What, Moore Street?
Like an open counterfeit.
He's
market,
there, big tall fella. I can see him. I don't know why the guards can't see him, but the custom can't see him.
So a nice walk down Moore Street, which of course has changed over the years. Still get your
This is
veg
actually,
here.
Colin,
Yeah.
this is the first place I filmed some content down here in Dublin.
Really?
If you remember. Do you remember when,
Oh.
before you got in touch with me, I helped out that gentleman from Syria, I think he was, and he was living on the streets down by some of the big buildings. But I got all his food that I took to him from down here. It's funny how like they're all standing there. You've only got to go around there, and you can literally catch people doing drugs. This is how proper Dubs. Everybody.
What?
I thought you were my biggest fan then. You treated me like, you know, I'm your long lost.
Donna's a great person to have a chat with.
Nice to meet you. How's Dublin these days? Donna, how's Dublin these days? Look.
It's a kip.
A kip. I've learned what that word means today. It means
London,
a tip. Means rough.
London, right? London, England and Ireland and Brussels and Germany all the same. Sorry. Don't be filling me.
You'd be sorry now, Doc. You'd be telling me to delete that. She asked me to.
Get fun here on the streets of Dublin.
You said you were marrying me.
I am marrying you.
Well, then how can you be marrying Wendall?
Where's the ring?
How can't you be How can you marry Wendall if you're marrying me?
No, I marry you.
Thank you for helping my fear of clowns. Regardless of what side of the political spectrum you sit, right, we've become so polarised because we're also addicted to our mobile phones and content, and we don't live in the real world, that we're calling people like this lady as being against what we're doing. We're forgetting what we need to do the most, and that's reach out to other people.
Losing our
Have a
humanity.
hug, shake a hand,
Yeah,
eat a meal
absolutely.
together.
I'm not going to ask you your seed and breed. If you look homeless and you're hungry, that's enough.
You've never
Give them
asked
what
her.
I
I've
have.
never heard you ask her. In fact, I knew more about some secrets about your guys'
If you're
unity.
looking, you see what we are. You know what I mean? It's very obvious.
I've known you well over a year
Yeah,
now. I know
yeah.
exactly where you're at, and I'm a huge fan.
Ah, thank you.
Absolutely huge. I
Me
still
too.
have.
I've known you for 10
5
minutes.
minutes.
I'll be seeing you next week.
I'll be seeing you. Is that a threat?
Could be. My good friend Wendall is he's off soon, which is a pity because I miss his company.
It's always a pity to leave Ireland, yeah.
It is a pity, and I'll miss seeing you around.
Yes, good to catch up.
We've had a few nice days together. How do you feel since last time we did a collab thing? How do you feel Ireland has changed? In the year?
Specifically Dublin.
Yeah.
It's definitely, I mean, I've been coming to Dublin for 20 years, long before this YouTube game.
Right.
And every time I come, it feels more edgy and dangerous in the central city than it did the previous time. Again, that's the case from 12 months ago. I go to all sorts of places day and night, yeah? And even I am looking over my shoulder, walking through the central city after dark here in Dublin this time.
Till next time, my friend.
Absolutely, yeah.
And I really look forward to it. You're always welcome here, as you know. And if you want to send any other nice people over to me, I'd be more than welcome. But
Absolutely, mate, yeah.
but you in particular, I think we have a good buzz together.
I want to say, Bog Trotter audience, this guy's genuine, 100%. You know, you can meet a lot of people in YouTube and they don't deliver on what they say, and all they're interested in is views. Colin's on a mission to show the reality of things here in Dublin. Everyone's got an opinion. Even if you don't agree entirely with everything that comes out of this man's mouth, he's genuine and means honesty and truth. And keep watching what he does and tell your friends, because Ireland should be proud. Dublin should be proud of this man.
Thank you so much, my friend. Well,
Wasn't paid to say that.
well, not that much.
Couldn't afford me anyway.
I gave you 15 quid. Did I? It was 20? I don't know. Can't remember.
Make it 50 and we'll refilm.
And you'll say better stuff.
Yeah.